lovely friends, how good to see you, my old friends, and welcome new friends coming. First of all, I apologize for that. I didn't make new videos for about half a year. I did lots of some other things. Boring thing made me so fat. Look at my chubby face. And finally, I realized my passion still is sharing my cooking with you guys. So I'm ready to make more videos for you guys in future and give you guys my happy smile more and more. So if you are new here, don't forget to click subscribe button below. And if you don't mind, sometimes during this video, if you really like it, give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make the potato salad. First, let's look at our ingredients for this salad. 3 medium-sized potatoes peeled and cut into cubes. 1 medium cucumber sliced. Half onion also sliced. Next, cut some ham into small pieces and cut 2 boiled eggs into quarters. Now we have all ingredients. First, let's rinse the potatoes, then boil the potatoes for about 8 minutes until they are soft. During this time, let's handle the cucumber and onion. Put a little bit salt to wilt them for 5 minutes. Then squeeze the water out with a paper towel, which will avoid the salad being soggy and make it a bit chewy. After this, our potatoes are done. If it's easy to put a fork into potatoes, that means they are ready. I prefer half-mashed potatoes, which makes it easy to stick with other ingredients and still keep some texture. Let's make the dressing. We need some mayonnaise, black pepper, salt, and sugar, mustard, white vinegar. We got everything. Just put them into mixing bowl. Mix them well. Now, magic time comes. When the mashed potatoes are cool, put them into the mixing bowl with all other ingredients. They look so good, don't they? Mix well. Then, the last step, my secret weapon comes out. 1 tablespoon of yogurt will make the salad more refreshing and tasty. Trust me. Oh, very nice. Can't wait. Oh, yummy. Lovely friends, if you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and see more of my videos. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, which will make me happy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you next video.